What's up guys, Aaron Baker again. Welcome to another video. Today we'll be reviewing what to expect when you're expecting an Awake order. What to expect when you're expecting an Awake order. Prior to your order arriving, please ensure that you have the appropriate equipment available to offload your order. That may include, but not limited to, a telehandler with a power cup, forklift, or simply a pallet jack. Whatever fits your needs, make sure that you have it on site ready to go to ensure that you get that order offloaded in a timely fashion. While you're offloading your order, please keep an eye out for boxes that look like this. These boxes contain loose parts. We call them kitting parts. These items are critical for the installation of the Awake product and the operability of your windows and doors. The box I have here in my hand contains some end sweeps for our multi-slide and a fixed panel block as well as some touch-up. Keep an eye out for these. Don't throw them away. They have a tendency to grow legs on job sites and disappear. Very important for the installation. A couple more things I wanted to cover before I let you guys go. Not only are you going to notice the kitting boxes, but you'll also find an envelope like this. This contains CAD drawings for your order as well as product-specific installation instructions. Say you're in the middle of an install and you need access to our install instructions, simply pull out your phone. We've conveniently placed a QR code on the units themselves. Scan that QR code and it'll take you straight to our install instructions webpage. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.